Yo, what is good, guys? It's BGFX, man, coming at y'all with another video. Today, what I got for y'all is something pretty special. I ended up trading GJ today. Ended up closing out with about 4,000 at the end of the day. And I actually recorded me entering this trade live. And I also documented it all throughout the day so you guys can actually see how I went about, pretty much going with this trade. So at the end of this video, I'll also have a full recap of exactly why I entered it, just so you guys can get a good little understanding of what led to me entering it. You know what I mean? I don't want to just post the profits and then not explain how I went about it. You know what I mean? So you guys make sure to watch the whole video, give me some feedback, drop a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. This is live trading, 4,000 in 1 day, trading GJ. Let's get into it. Just a quick update on the GJ trade that I've been looking to enter. We finally got 2 entries in, both in profit right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and stack another position, real account. Let's go ahead and add one more position to GJ real quick. And then after I do this, I'm gonna update you guys in a little bit with what everything's looking like. Back on the charts, currently about $600 in running profits. Everything is looking good so far. We got all 3 positions up and it's a real account. Overall things are looking pretty good. Alright y'all, so just another quick update. It hasn't been that long, but we're currently about 1,100 up right now. So we can keep holding this and move stop loss to break even. Alright y'all, we currently up 4,200 live account. I'm gonna go ahead and close this 4,200. Close with profit. Let's get it. Close this last one. Secured about nearly 40 pips on this trade. Call it out to you guys. Then one more time to show y'all it is a live account as usual. Okay. Catch you guys later. Yo, what is good, guys? BGFX here. I hope y'all enjoyed those previous clips. Today was actually a $4,500 day trading GBPJPY. I don't want to leave you guys hanging and just show y'all the profits. I also want to show y'all exactly how I went about entering this trade. So this will be a real quick analysis on how we actually caught these buys. And it was a pretty simple move. All I caught was about 30 pips, but this was with high accuracy based off what the market was showing me. So to start off my analysis, I want to start off on a little bit higher time frame. This is only the 2 hour, but we were still able to get a little bit of insight just based off what the market was showing us. So when I entered, it was on this candlestick. So I can draw this zone out and see that this candlestick was approaching this zone. Now, if we bring it all the way back here, we can see how clean this area of value is. So what I mean by clean, I mean that we can see that price was really respecting it. But I noticed that we had a double top form right below this area of structure. Now, what that means to me is that price failed to break the lows. Okay, price touched here, pulled back, and instead of continuing for a downtrend, price pulled up and closed above. Okay, so candlesticks never lie. Price ended up closing above this previous level and then breaking the zone and then pulling back. So for me initially, I was looking for buys. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to that lower time frame, and let me just clean this up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to the lower time frame and I'm drawing out the most significant zones and the cleanest zones possible. So I see a breakout here, and now I'm looking for a pullback to the zone. Okay, now when I see this pullback, first thing I'm doing is I'm drawing this trend line. So what this trend line here means is that sellers are coming down with selling movement, and the initial direction of the market will be tested when it comes to price approaching the zone. So what I mean by that is, will price break and pull back or will it break the support resistance level and continue to the downside? Now, being that price decided to break the trend line and pull back, for me, initially, I was going to be looking for buys. So if you're one of my students and you're looking at this area of market structure right here, you definitely see what I am seeing. Okay, I'm not going to show too much of my strategy, but of course, we're getting our Fibonacci level. We're bringing it to the top, getting our entry zone, and we know where to enter. Right here, we're getting out with stop loss below the lows, and then take profit obviously up here. So we would have cashed out with about 30 pips. Okay, so all we were doing was identifying what was going on with the markets, looking at the higher time frame, looking at a valued trusted zone, and then we're coming to the lower time frame. We're identifying what the market's doing, what levels are holding up. It couldn't hold up. We drew our measurement. We looked for the pullback. We looked for the right opportunity to catch strong reaction to a strong zone in the markets. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. It was just a quick little analysis on how I actually made this trade on GJ, because I didn't want to leave you guys hanging with the profits without showing y'all how I actually took the trade, because so many people post profits without necessarily showing how they got them. You know what I mean? So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. Hope you all have a great rest of your day. It's been your boy BGFX. I am out. Peace.